Hey designers! In this video, I'm going to show you how to design a modern, eye-catching 2026 calendar in Adobe Illustrator. From layout structure to final details, we'll build a creative calendar you can use for print or digital projects.
First, set up an A3 document and apply a 5mm bleed on all sides. Next, go to the artboard options and enable the guides and marks that will help you divide and structure your layout accurately.
Now draw a rectangle like the one you see here. Go to File, Place, and import your photo. Move the photo behind the rectangle, select both elements, and apply a clipping mask to finish the layout. Go to the Type tool and type the year and the month. Next, we'll start creating a geometric shape inspired by the Moroccan Zellige pattern, making sure it fits perfectly with the overall calendar design. Try to follow along step by step as we build this element together.
Next, we'll enhance this element by adding a beautiful Moroccan geometric pattern, giving the design a more refined and aesthetic touch. Now, make a copy of the object and place the pattern behind it. Select both elements and create a clipping mask. Finally, reduce the opacity to keep the pattern subtle and balanced. Follow along as we refine this step together.
Now, let's move on to designing the calendar days. First, type the weekdays using the Type tool. Then, go to the Type menu, choose Area Type Options, and set the grid to 7 rows and 7 columns. Follow these steps carefully as we build the calendar structure. Finally, we'll add a quote to complete the design. In my case, I'm using a bilingual subtitle. For the Arabic quote, I'm working with the Cairo font. And for the English subtitle, I'm using Arial Regular to keep things clean and readable. Follow along as we style and align the text to fit perfectly within the layout.
And that's it for this calendar design. We've created a clean layout, added geometric elements inspired by Moroccan Zellige, and finished it off with a bilingual quote to give it a strong cultural identity. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more design tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.